while since we did a little get ready with me together, and I have some new products, some new makeup products that I would love to show you. I'm using them now since almost a month, and I'm obsessed with this brand. It is the brand ISAMAYA, and I don't know, I found them on Instagram or TikTok, was it? And I was just obsessed by the packaging first, and then I decided just to try them out. For a long time I was really not interested in makeup, but yeah, this brand, really obsessed. So yeah, let's get ready. I just came out of the shower. I still have some wet hair, but I also got like new haircut, a little bit shorter again. It's also, I'm always doing now a hair gloss so that it looks a little bit darker again, but it's not like, you know, in the past when you know me, I had like black hair or really dark brown hair, and now it's just like a nice little gloss just to have a little bit of, you know, excitement in your hair color, because my natural hair color couldn't be more boring. And so yeah, I'm really happy with it now. Here in the south, it's just really nice to have a little bit shorter hair again. I don't know, it just feels more comfortable. I'm all about comfort. And yeah, so I didn't do anything yet. So also in terms of skincare in the morning, I really just stick now to this new routine that I have. And yeah, the first product I want to show you is actually the triple hyaluronic acid. And this is also kind of like a, you know, glow serum highlighter, like base for your makeup, let's say. If you prefer then to also go over with foundation, you can also mix it in with foundation. But first of all, look at this packaging. Like, it's amazing. There are little piercings, so this is like a theme that's going on with throughout the whole brand. So they put like little piercings on their packaging, and I think they're like real piercings. You could even use them, you know. But yeah, so obsessed. They got famous for their dick-shaped lipsticks, and I definitely still want one, but I first went in and wanted to really try the products before I spent like a lot of money on lipsticks. Let's dive into this, and this is also the first step of my routine now. So I take like a little bit of a pump and apply this all over. And I think you can see already how glowy my skin is. This is really an amazing product, and yeah, just insane glow. So once this is all a little bit dried, I'm just gonna go in with my sunscreen, and then we wait a little bit. And while we wait, just, you know, how are you doing? Like, it's been a while again, but I also thought like for my channel here, I think I'm gonna do now those kind of monthly recap videos. It just makes more sense because honestly there's just not so much different things happening in my life to like always have an exciting new vlog every week or something. I mean, for me it's exciting, but to watch, I don't think it's exciting to always see me do the same thing. So yeah, I think like kind of like a monthly recap. So you will also see then later here in this video, what I will include is basically still footage from when we packed all our stuff in Barcelona, when it was moving day, and then I will also show you a little bit now my new surrounding, which is just, yeah, you cannot say it any differently. It's just paradise. I'm really fortunate to live here, and also the house is gorgeous. I'll also give you a little house tour. It will not be like super amazing aesthetic footage, but I still wanted to give you an idea, you know, how our house is looking like. But there will be in the future as well a house tour when everything is decorated. So definitely, I would say that and then I don't do it, I know, but no, I try to remember it to really do a house tour. I know in Barcelona I didn't even do a house tour really, I think. I did an empty house tour, but not one when it was decorated. But anyways, I will definitely do that. And then we come to the next product, which is the brow product. So this is called Brow Luck, and it's a brow lamination gel, I would say, and it's also transparent. I'm almost out of it. I already gotten a refill because it's so good. I use it every day, and it's just such an interesting texture. It's not like other gels I had before. This stuff is like, yeah, it has like a thicker texture. Yeah, that's brows done. I really love it. It looks amazing. And then the next thing is lashes. I didn't use mascara in like almost a year, I would say, or over a year. Like, but I was really excited about this one. And I really was excited to wear mascara again, and the packaging again on point. This is what the brush looks like. So it's really nice and curved, and it has this little like ball here on the front where you can really get in the ends of, in the roots of your lashes, you know. And what I do is I just put mascara in the corners of my eye. So I only do the corners, and I also kind of drag it out so that it creates this kind of nice almond eye shape. I love it. It just looks a little bit more interesting, a little bit more mysterious. Look at this. Looks amazing. It looks like I put false lashes on. And now for the last step, and also one of my favorite products next to the glow serum is the lip gloss. Like, I never ever run through a whole package of lip gloss, because lip gloss is super annoying actually. But this, I don't know, this lip gloss is so nice, and this color is called Black Veil, and it is, as the name says, it's a black lip gloss, but it also has like kind of Bordeaux undertones, so it has this nice, like, if you know Clinique, almost lipstick Black Honey, this kind of vibe. But then in a lip gloss there are also sparkles in here, and I usually hate sparkles. You cannot even see those sparkles on your lips, they are just reflecting. It's just so interesting. It's not an uncomfortable feeling at all. The applicator is really small, so you can really be precise, and it is also a lip plumper. So I don't know, let me just put it on. It looks a little bit scary when you put it on, but it is actually pretty sheer. And now when you then spread it out, look how gorgeous this is. I'm just really so obsessed. Like this, I never had a lip color like this. Like, what is that magic? It looks so insane. So yeah, this is me done. Also pretty fast done, not a lot of products. And yeah, I feel like I still kind of keep my little bit of natural look, but then with a little bit of, you know, excitement. So yeah, and obsessed with those lips. Like, I also ordered now again the Pro product, and I also ordered now their lip balm in Vanity, which is also like a black color, which is, I guess, a little bit like the same kind of vibe, but then as a lip balm. I just wanted to try out more products of theirs because I'm really obsessed. And I also wanted to make this video once I really use the products, because I want to start doing this more, only making those videos when I really feel like, okay, I would actually repurchase from this brand. I'm actually using their products, I'm not breaking out. That's also something I was really scared that the glow serum would break me out, because everything breaks me out. So, but now I'm really happy. I'm really excited what's to come with this brand. The owner is also like super interesting. She's a really good makeup artist. And yeah, I'm really for the first time excited about makeup again. I thought this would never happen again, but yeah. Now we're gonna move on to the other part of the September recap, so hope you enjoy. Good morning, everyone. It is finally moving day. I'm so excited. We're all packed. The movers will come in an hour. Then we're gonna have key exchange here of the old apartment, and then we're gonna fly to Malaga. It's been a long time, a lot of stress. Not gonna lie, to organize all of this, but I'm like so happy the day is finally here. And yeah, that we kind of start a new chapter of our life in a house, which is still kind of crazy to me that I will be living in a house, and I know for some that might not be a big deal, but for me it was really always something that's not really in my future, if that makes sense. I thought I'm gonna live like forever in apartments because yeah, buying a house, I was always really hesitant because I wasn't really sure before which country I wanted to live in for, like, you know, forever, or for at least like a long period of time. But yeah, Spain is really, because Spain is so big and there's so many nice areas, Spain is definitely, I think, the country where we're gonna grow old. Never say never, but I'm pretty sure we love it here, and we will love our new area that we live in, because it just has everything that we have also here in Barcelona. For example, mountains, the sea, still kind of cities you can go to, so it doesn't get boring, and we have the peace and quiet as well at home. So really looking forward to it. Yeah, you saw the old apartment here, everything's empty, everything's packed, and I will as well include a little run through the new house, of course, like, you know, the real house tour. When everything is done, will also be coming in a separate video. We're gonna get a lot of like new furnitures, which I probably also gonna include in some vlogs. Yeah, but when everything is then done, there will be definitely also a finished house tour video. It never really happened for this apartment because it was never really completely done, which is crazy because we lived here for years, but that also kind of shows now why, because it wasn't our final destination. But with the house, it's a total different story. We planned out every room already and ordered already stuff for it, so this time it is for the long run, and yeah, I'm so happy and can't wait. Luckily we have movers. We're fortunate enough to have a moving company that will do all the carrying, because when you get older you don't want to do that anymore. I'm also just now here standing in the kitchen, which is also super empty, which is also crazy, but yeah, I'm really happy, and yeah, keep you guys updated. Hola. Hola. Beautify.